Hello guys and welcome back to Code with Rashid. In today's lesson we will learn about dictionaries in Python. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs in Python. It is also known as hash or map in other languages. So first of all we shall see how do we define a dictionary. We can define a dictionary using two methods. The first one is using curly braces. So we shall put person is equal to curly braces and then the first key, that is name, and then colon and the value, that is Rashid. So this is how we define a first key value pair. If we want to have more, we can simply put a comma here and then we can have the second key value pair, that is gender, and then the value is male. So guys, this is our first dictionary. Now we shall simply print the result, and if we run the program we can see that we have got a valid dictionary output here. So now we shall see the second method of defining a dictionary. For that purpose, first of all we shall take person variable and is equal to dict keyword and then the brackets, and we can have the value like person, the first key name is equal to the first value Rashid. This is how we define the key value pair using the second method. In a similar way we can have the second key value, that is gender and male. So now if we print this result we shall see that we have got a similar output in the console. So this is how we define dictionaries in Python. Now we shall see how do we access the values of dictionaries. For that purpose, first of all we shall write the dictionary name, that is person, and then the key of the value. In this case we have put gender. So if we run this program we shall see that we have got male. So this is how we access the values in dictionaries. Now we shall see how do we print the length of a dictionary. In that case we can simply use the length keyword and then the dictionary name, that is person, and if we run this program we shall see that we have got the output 2 because we have only two key value pairs in the dictionary. And now let's see how do we print all the keys of a dictionary. For that purpose we can use the built-in function of a dictionary, that is keys, and it will print all the keys of the dictionary here. We have got the dictionary keys name and gender. Now if we want to print the values we can simply replace it with the values function, and in this way we can have the values of the dictionary, that is Rashid and male. So now finally if we want to delete a key value pair in dictionary we can simply use the keyword del and then the dictionary name person and then the key. In that case we have gender, and this will delete the key value pair gender is equal to male. So if we print the result we shall see that we have got only one key value pair remaining, that is name and Rashid. So guys, this was the initial tutorial about dictionary. We shall make more videos about dictionary in the future videos. Till then it's goodbye and take care.